Yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year. It's 2026. We are back at it again. Big brother Bazozwa, Liema is back, Maeli is back, Dube is back, Bravo B is back. What do you think about these four ex-housemates who are back in Biggie's house? What do you think? And then, what do you think of Liema, man? It's movement so far so good. From yesterday from last night and today. What do you think, man? My ex this, my ex that, my ex this, my ex that. I don't know. What do you think, man? And do you think they're gonna be there for until to the end of the season, or it's just they are here? From there they're gonna leave. I don't know what the game that Biggie is trying to play. I'm so happy to see Liema, don't wanna lie. I'm so happy to see Bravo B as well. The other housemate, the new one, Tande girl as well, and then who the I forgot the other one, but yeah, man, it seems like it's gonna be a great season. It's gonna be a great journey. We're looking forward to see what's gonna happen, man. And I'm so happy to see the new housemate also having the confidence, yeah, man. What do you think about Liema, bro?